In this video, we are going to create a list of array. So hypothetically, consider that you want to display user data of 50 people. So this can be achieved using this code. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a list array. In this, we will only consider int, and then we will provide a variable name. Let's say items equal to new list. Then we are going to create an init state in which we are going to create a for loop that will store items in the list. So for I equal to 0, I less than 50, I plus plus, and we need to define I, so int I, and in for we are going to say items dot add. We are going to add value. Now in scaffold, in body property, we are going to create a new list view builder. In this we need to focus on two properties, that is item count and item builder. So item count will be items dot length, and item builder takes a function. So in the function we need to provide build context and int index. Now in this we will return a list tile. We will type return new list tile. Let's provide a title to the list. So title is equal to new text. Let's provide a string as item number, and let's provide your index. And we are also going to provide trailing property. Here we will create an icon shot, let's say arrow forward icon, and let's restart our app. And as you can see, we have created 50 list items, and you can scroll up and scroll down, and that's it. That's how you create a list of array in Flutter.